What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine here, and this is the Orlian laptop stand, a simple stand that will lift your laptop, your tablet, or even a phone to eye level. The design allows for laptops up to 17 inches with up to 18 pounds in weight. The design also allows for vents on the laptop to be open for proper airflow. One thing I did notice is if you have the stand fully extended, you might want to put something on the platform or make some adjustments. The base will start to move off the table surface if it's too high and move back. Otherwise, it's a pretty decent stand. I was able to stand up and do some work or bring my keyboard over and then just have the monitor at eye level. This is the heaviest laptop I have in studio right now. This is an HP ZBook Fury at 5.3 pounds. And musicians and DJs will be able to raise their laptop above their hardware. And that is the Orlian laptop stand. Geek out, folks.